We're still in Chapter 9, and on Objective 9.2, we're going to do the premium case really quickly here, just so you don't get hung up on there's only discounts. So it's the same bond as before, $100,000 face value, coupon rate 6%, 2 payments per year, 3-year bond. But instead of the interest rate being above 6%, the interest rate is 4%. The market interest rate is also called the yield. Yield is below the coupon rate. When that's the case for a debenture bond, interest-only bond, it's going to be issued at a premium. So if you go ahead and do the present value, you find it's 105,601, and we put bonds payable, face value, face value, face value here. Whoops, face value into the 100,000, and the premium and the discount are valuation accounts. Or valuation allowances, but the premium has a normal debit, normal credit, and the discount has a normal debit balance. Okay, so 100,000 plus the 601, that's 5601, 105,601 is the carrying value at issuance. So bond payable plus the premium equals the carrying value. And in this case, the proceeds are also the same as the carrying value because it's the date of issuance. All right, so that's the premium case. Discounts are debits. Premiums are credits. And we're going to now learn how to do the effective interest method for bonds. Same bond as before. So how do we calculate interest for these bonds? Well, it's called the effective interest method. It's used not only for bonds, it's used widely in accounting. What we do is we're going to take the carrying value at the beginning of period, take the market rate at issuance. So this market rate at issuance, this is the effective interest rate. So we're not taking the market rate today. We're remembering whatever the market rate was the day we issued it. And it's going to be quoted annually, so you have to divide by number of payments per year. So in our case, it's 94,758, going back to the discount case. This bond was issued when the market rate was 8%, so the periodic effective interest rate is 4%. And you put that together and it's 37.90. All right. Now, the cash interest payment is $3,000. The interest expense is $37.90. We have a plug of $7.90 credit. Well, we're going to use that to reduce the discount on bonds payable. So we had our discount account over here with the original. We can go back to the original issuance, 94,758, and we debited 52.42. $52.42. This is the issuance. And here we're reducing it, which is referred to as amortization. So the new balance is $44.52. And if you wanted to, you could have, this is the wrong date. It should be 07/01/20x1. Okay. So the carrying value as of 7/1/20x1 should be 100,000 minus 44.52. Which is 95,548. Okay, and then you would use that number for the next 6 months. The most I'm going to give you, though, is the first 6 months of interest expense. This is an intro course. All right, so just know that you take the beginning of period carrying value, which would be the bond's price at issuance, times the market rate at issuance, divided by the number of payments per year. Now, for the discount case, the interest expense is going to be greater than the payments. For the premium case, it's going to be below. All right, so that should do it for bonds. Definitely know how to present value a bond. Take the present value of the ordinary annuity with more than one payment per year, plus the present value of the lump sum. Know how to do the issuance, and then also know how to calculate the first 6 months of interest expense under the effective interest method.